Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover a forgotten Facebook account password. If you're using Facebook and you're having the issue that your account password has been forgotten and you want to recover that, so let's see how you can do that. You have two possible ways. The very first way, you just have to simply open your Facebook. If you are logged into your account, so you can easily try to change your Facebook password. Just click on this profile icon over here and click on settings and privacy. Go to settings. Now once you are in settings, go to account center. And here in account center you just have to go to password and security, then go to change password and click on your Facebook account and you can try to enter your current password. If your current password is forgotten, you can try to click on forgot your password here and just try to use this option that send a code via email, or if you have added your phone number, so you might get phone number option here, you can select and then click continue. And once you have done, you might get a code on your email. Just enter the code here, and after that, you can easily try to change your account password. Or if you're facing the issue that your account is not logged in, let's say I'm gonna open my second Chrome. I don't want to log out it. For example, I'm gonna open this one here. Go to Facebook. Go to login or sign up page. And once you are here, you might see this type interface. Here's the login to Facebook page. You just have to enter your email address, your password, and you can easily log in. But you just have to click on forgotten password if your password is forgotten. And here you can try to enter your mobile name or your mail address. So let's say I'm gonna enter my same mail address here. And here after entering your mail address, just click on continue. And now you can easily get a code on your mail address. Just click on get code with mail and then click on continue option again. Now here you can enter the code you receive on your mail address. Let's say I'm gonna open my Gmail here. Here just wait for the code. Once you receive the code, you can enter that code in this section. I'm gonna copy this and just simply paste it here. Click continue. And now you can easily change your account password. You just have to create a new password. You can also enable this toggle or check this box to log out everywhere else to make sure that no one else can still access your account. Just enter your new password and you can easily create a new password from here. So in this way, you can easily create a new password if your previous one is forgotten. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.